I always felt proud of the growing supercar culture in India. Whenever I see a new supercar getting delivered, the happiness I get is surreal. But you know for a fact that there are cars that are even above the supercar level, and those cars are counted in the category of hypercars. And my wildest dream is to see a whole fleet of hypercars in India. So, first of all, what is a hypercar? Well, a hypercar is basically the halo car created by a company. They typically have over 1,000 horsepower, and one of their most notable characteristics is that they are produced in very limited numbers. For example, the Porsche 918 had only 918 units built. So, the question is that why are not there many hypercars in India? One thing is for sure, there is no shortage of people who can afford to buy a hypercar in India. After all, India is the fourth richest country in terms of the number of billionaires. So the reason is sense. Yes, you heard that right, sense. A brand new Bugatti Chiron in India costs upwards of 50 crores for the base model. For that amount of money, you can literally buy a bungalow and a whole new fleet of supercars. There is a limit to everything, and there is a limit to spending money on cars too. The same goes with other hypercars like Koenigsegg and Paganis. In India, buying a hypercar is not one of the smartest decisions you can make, considering the price and the condition of the roads in our country. Being an optimistic person, I am seriously trusting that there is a future for hypercars in India, provided that the condition of roads in our country improves over time and the taxes on these cars get reduced. So in the next video, we will be discussing about the cars that came to India but went back. So stay tuned for that. That's it for this time. I trust you liked this one. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motor Drift for more such content in the future. All the links will be in the description below. Till then, ciao.